The second day of the 18th Lok Sabha today began with newly elected MPs taking oaths as members of the House. Among those who took oaths today included Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon of the Voice of the People Party and Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma of the Congress. A total of 266 MPs took oaths yesterday and the remaining MPs took oaths today.
I, Dr. Ricky Andrew John Sinkon, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you, Kuble Shibun Mithela.
I, Sri Saleng A. Sangma, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the constitutions of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Safe constitutions.